With the stand arm slightly raised for easier clearance, remove the shin pad and footplate and place to the side in a safe area. Use the spreader bar to move the legs to the widest open position. Lower the stand arm so that they are parallel to the floor. With the stand legs spread, place the load testing sling in between the legs of the stand with the narrow side of the sling facing the stand mast. Attach the front and rear loops of each side of the load testing sling to the corresponding hook located on the stand arm, making sure that they are securely fastened behind the safety clip. Raise the arms up so that the load testing sling rests slightly upon the floor. Push open the sides of the load testing sling to give ample room to place bags into the sling. Place the common bagged materials into the sling to reach or come within 100 pounds of the rated weight capacity of the stand. Do not exceed the rated weight capacity. Raise and lower the load with the stand using the hand control, toggles, or user interface. Listen for any unusual noises while operating the unit. With the test load applied to the stand, check all structural welds for any signs of stress or fatigue cracks. If any unusual noises or cracks are found, stop using the stand and call the Easy Way Service Department immediately.